This is the third question of the series. If you want to read the question, pause the video. Let's start solving it. Formula for center of mass acceleration is given by m1a1 plus m2a2 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is the mass of the first particle and m2 is the mass of second particle, and a1 and a2 are acceleration of first and second particles respectively. Hence both are identical. m1 equal to m2 equal to m. One particle is at rest, a1 equal to 0, and a2 is having an a2 is equal to a. The particle is accelerating at a. When we solve the equation, it becomes m into 0 plus m into a by 2m. ma by 2m. M and m get cancelled, and the answer is equal to a by 2. Option B is the correct answer. For further more content like this, subscribe and follow. If you have any doubts, drop it in the comments.